Hi everyone, welcome to Travel Buddies. How was your day today? Today we're taking you to a market that is located in the southern area of Tehran. As you know, Tehran is the capital city of Iran, and it has a population about 9 million, well, almost. As you can see, it may seem that this market isn't crowded enough, but let me tell you, it's because of the time. It's about 3 p.m. and as we're getting closer to summer, the weather is really hot. So people rather to stay in just for the weather to get better. Here you can see the market, but we'll promise to get you inside there. Just stay tuned by the end of the video. Just before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget that liking us help us to grow more. It makes the YouTube to suggest our channel to more viewers, and it would help us a lot. So we appreciate your support. This market is located in an area that's called Emamzadeh Hasan. As I have always mentioned, that this channel was created to show the reality of Iran. And since we are living in the capital city, we are more able to show you around Tehran. We mostly take you on walking tours around the north, the west, and the east. But today, we want you to see the southern part as well, so you can understand for yourself that it's not what Western media tends to show. You know, Western media usually likes to show Iran and Tehran as a deserted country with poor people that are not able to afford anything. But as you can see for yourself, the southern part is just as lively as the north. I've never been to this market myself, so it was surprising for me as well to see that this market has so much to offer. You can find literally anything in here, from shirts, as you can see, and kitchen tools, and mostly clothing. Doesn't matter if it's for leisure time, if it's for just staying at home, or even a uniform for your company. You can find really good products, like good quality products, with reasonable prices. And now we're entering a shopping center. It's really big. I couldn't take you everywhere, like it would have taken so much time to show you the whole place. But it's really a huge shopping center. And people assume since it's located in the southern area of Tehran, it might not offer great products, but as I was walking and looking at the products, I almost bought something because I entered some shops. I could say that they are really good, just as good as the products you find in other places. You see, these shopping centers had multiple floors. I forgot to count, but you should check it out sometimes. It's just in Emamzadeh Hasan area near the markets, and those markets are like the Grand Bazaar. Remember the Grand Bazaar of Tehran? It's like that. This area is totally in a reasonable pricing range, not just for products. If you want to rent a shop or rent a house or even purchase them, like buy a house, buy a shop, you can purchase them in with a better prices than other areas of Tehran. I think that's a jewelry store. I walked past by it. I forgot to look into it. I really like jewelry myself. There are multiple shopping centers located near each other, as you can see in the video. I couldn't really get into every single one of them, and there is a parking lot, a public parking place, because it's a crowded area. As I told you earlier, it's because of the timing and the weather being hot. People are not out that much, but in the evening and at night, people are out and shopping and just walking in this area. So it's getting crowded. It's not really you will not be able to get here with your car. I think the closest subway station might be Habibullah. I'm not sure. I don't know if you've heard the news or you follow them, but the dollar rate has been rising ever since. So it kind of forced people to move to these areas for buying and purchasing whatever they need. The pricing rate, let me explain for it. It's like buying a house in these areas is as much as you pay for renting a house in the northern part of Tehran, which seems crazy, but that's true. Soon, we'll walk this area again. We'll take you on a tour again to see how people are out and how crowded it is in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. And I mention again, it seems less crowded because of the weather and the timing. Stay tuned for a couple minutes because we're going to enter that market I promised earlier. So thanks for watching us. Thanks for supporting us. Stay tuned and watch the full video.